Hey, my beautiful Vibes fam. Welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. So, here are my ingredients because today we're going to be seasoning up this nice whole chicken. So, here I have 3 tablespoons of chicken seasoning and I added 1 tablespoon onion granules, 1 tablespoon garlic granules. Now I'm adding half tablespoon Lorry's seasoning and half tablespoon adobo seasoning. So whatever you have, whatever you normally use to season your chicken, yeah, just use that, right? You don't have to use the same thing that I use. Just make sure that you come with some good seasoning, yeah, because we need it to taste good. So here I have my nice fat ready body chicken and I'm pouring some olive oil on it, and the olive oil is just to help to keep it moist when I roast it, bake it, whatever you're gonna do, right? So pour some olive oil on there and lather it up, get it all over, right? So you want to make sure you get the leg, you get the thigh, you get you get everywhere. Get them wings. Don't forget them wings, okay? Now we're gonna flip it over. Yes, bap, that's you. And pour some more oil. Lather it up. When you take a shower or when you take a bath, don't you normally lather up yourself, right? So we're doing the same thing for the chicken because I washed my chicken. I forgot to say that. Yes, my chicken has been thoroughly washed. Okay, so here I'm rubbing now some green seasoning, and I will link the video for the green seasoning down below, right? In the description box, that is. So you want to go ahead and get that everywhere. When I tell you flavor and how good it smells, you don't want to miss this one. So yes, get that all over the chicken, under the armpits of the chicken, so right at the wing. You want to get it everywhere, right there in the neck. I mean, listen, we are getting it. Yes, put it right in between right there. We are getting it in every nook and cranny. I mean, everywhere. We're not leaving anywhere untouched on this chicken, right? So when you do that, then we flip him back over, right? And now we are gonna do the same thing. Yes, load him up with this green seasoning. Ooh, lather, lather, lather. Rub it, rub it, rub it. And right there, you notice there's a slit right there. Well, before that, let's just rub it right up under the skin. So anyway, you see little loose skin, you want to put the seasoning there as well. So I happen to have a slit right there and I'm just going to take advantage, right? So normally it's not there, but this time it is there on that chicken. So I'm going to take advantage, right? And I am putting some seasoning in there and rub it, get it all over, because Vibes fam, when I bite into this, I want to taste all the good stuff. Okay, so here now we're turning it around and look up in there. Yes, so you want to make sure that when you wash your chicken you clean out inside there. So take out all the muck and the guck, right? And get the seasoning up in there. That's the only thing that should be up in there, right? So of course, I'm going to put the green seasoning in there as well. So Vibes fam, as you're seasoning your chicken and any amount of seasoning that fall into the tray, make sure you take it up and put it right on your chicken, right? So yeah, let's flip him over and let's go in with some flavor, some additional flavor. Remember that seasoning that we rubbed up, the onion powder, the onion granules, garlic. By the way, onion granules, onion powder, whichever one, same thing, right? Yes, use it. So I'm just getting that all over the chicken. So Vibes fam, don't look at it and think, oh, she's using too much. No. It is not. It is absolutely not. It is not too much seasoning. I promise you. I promise. Just load it up like a country bus with seasoning. Do not worry about it, okay? So here we turn it around, and of course we are gonna go for the neck and the bosom. Look at the bosom right there. Yes, we are getting the seasoning all up on the bosom. Yes, bless it, bless it, bless it. Listen, you better bless your food with seasoning. I'm telling you, don't play no games with seasoning, okay? We don't play no games in this house. As for me and my house, we will definitely season our meat, right? Just as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. For me and my house, we're going to season this food real good. So yeah, get the powder seasoning as well up under The skin right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Listen, I can already tell. I'm the type of person, just by how somebody season them food or the ingredients that they use, I can tell if it tastes good. I am just like that. Like, just look at it and be like, as well as I know how it maybe smell. And oh, next thing to vibe, so make sure when you season your food to smell it. Smell it. And if you can smell the seasoning like really nice, if it smell really good, it's gonna taste real good. That's another trick right there. So yeah, just get the powder seasoning and take it and put it up in the chicken as well. Look at it. Look. Tell me you don't see it. What, look there, look at Juicelicious. Okay, so next step, we are gonna take some time, a lot of time, and just shove it up in there. Yes, Vibe Sam, poke him up. Poke the chicken. We're gonna stuff it with some of this good, right? And next we're going in with some onion. So I chopped up some onion. Yes, Vibe Sam, stuff it like a nice country boss. And here we have some green bell pepper. Stuff it like a nice country boss. Yes, stuff. I'm telling you, when you bake this chicken, roast this chicken, whatever you want to do to this chicken, trust me, Vibes Sam, this is all additional flavor. And here I have a tablespoon of butter, and what I'm doing, I'm just rubbing the butter. So I'm stuffing the butter up in there as well, but kind of rubbing it around, getting it all over on the veggies, and also at the top of the chicken. Just get it up in there. So what it does, it helps to keep inside the chicken moist, as well as to moisturize and help the moisturize the veggies. So yeah, so some more sweet pepper and or bell pepper, and of course some more thyme. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have a beautifully seasoned whole chicken, and it's ready for whatever you want to do with it. Look at it, Vibes fam, look at it, and make sure that when you rub the seasoning on it, you just want to rub and rub it. Rub it. Make sure you lather it up so beautifully. Look at it. And it smells amazing. Make sure that it's smelling so good, because that's how you know it's going to taste so lush, so delicious. So of course, because I'm not cooking it same time, I have to let my food marinate, right? Have to let my meat marinate. So I'm going to cover it up. And if you're not going to be cooking it the same day, by the way, please give your food some, give it at least a 3-4 hours, right? But yeah, if you're not going to be doing it the same day, then cover it up and put it inside your refrigerator. But yeah, Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over Instagram and follow me, please. Thank you. God bless you.